Welcome back to DIYGaskets.com. Today we're going to be working on a Traulsen unit. This particular unit is in pretty rough shape, but yeah, it's an older model for sure. As you can see, the gasket's torn out, ready to be replaced. This actually isn't the right style gasket that should be on here. Somebody made it work, which is fine. As long as it seals, I guess it's okay. But this one's completely blown out and needs to be replaced. The model we're working on today is a WHT132NUT. First things first, we're going to measure up our new gasket. This is the proper style gasket, the 516 or 165. This is the proper gasket that should be on here. So we're going to go replace it with what should be on there to begin with. This is an older unit, so I'm going to be very, very careful peeling this back. If you crack this track, we won't be able to get anything else in there. So replacing these tracks are not fun. See all this right here is the dart has started to peel away and is now stuck inside the track. So in that case, I'm going to start on this side and hopefully we'll be able to counteract that. Yep, okay, good. Peeling it back. So all that track, all that dart that is stuck in that channel, hopefully by doing it this way, will come out. Good, 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 good. All right. Okay, this one's definitely gonna need some cleaning. Get into the track as best you can. You can go a little bit deeper with it if you want to use some sort of brush, soap and water. Start in the top corner. You see how I'm using the mallet, but I'm also using the rolling action to roll it in. Pretty secure all the way around. Nice little tug. You see a little gapping here. We'll take care of that with a heat gun. As you open and close and use the warm heat from the gun, it'll tend to mold itself to whatever the frame looks like. Sometimes the frame itself will be a little damaged. Always moving the heat gun because you don't want it to sit in one spot for any period of time. It already feels like it's closing a lot better. If you don't feel like it's closing proper, you can pull. Use your hand as its own heat source as well. I'm using a pair of gloves, makes that a lot easier. It's going to stretch the bellow. The bellow is that center part here. Your magnet is here, your mount is here, and the bellow is this centerpiece. Now, double door units like this, you'll have issue of, especially when you put new gaskets on, you'll put a gasket on and one door will pop open the other. Not a ton you can do about that, but it tends to work itself out over time. That is pretty tight. So at least now when I close the bottom one, it does get that pressure, it'll close back on its own. And that's it. Traulsen installed proper gasket 516.